and Jai Hind children. Welcome to maths class. Today we are going to do checkpoint page number 117. I hope you all have prepared a notebook for geometry and you all have completed the defines in your geometry notebook. You all have completed the book exercises that we have done in the previous class. So in lesson 7 geometry, today we are going to do checkpoint page number 117. So all of you get ready with your geometry notebook, a sharp pencil in your hand, ruler and eraser. Okay, so get ready with all these materials and we will start our today's geometry class. Okay. Today we are going to draw line segment of given length. That means a length will be given to you and the fixed length we have to draw the line segment. In previous class I have told you what is line segment. A line segment is a part of line that has two end points and it has a fixed length. Okay. So a line segment has a fixed length. We cannot extend it. We cannot reduce it. It has a fixed length. Okay. So now we will see the steps how to draw the line segment. See all of you, first how we can measure it. For drawing line segment, use of scale is must. So you should be having a scale for drawing line segment. First what you will do, measure this pencil. You can see this is a ruler. And 0 to 1, this is 1 centimeter. It is counted as 1 centimeter. From 1 to 2, it is counted again 2 centimeter. 2 to 3, it is again 1 centimeter. So this ruler is of 15 centimeter. Now see children, how we will measure this pencil by placing it on the ruler. हम इस pencil को कैसे measure करेंगे? We measure this pencil using this scale. Step 1, keep one end on the starting point, that is 0 of the scale. So whenever you are measuring anything, your first point should be at 0. So when you are drawing a line segment also, first you will put a point at 0, a dot at 0, and then if suppose you have to draw a line segment of 4 centimeters, so you will put a dot at 4 centimeter. If 5 centimeter, you will put a dot at 5 centimeter. If 6 centimeters, you will put a dot at 6 centimeter, and so on. You will be increasing it. Okay. So these are the steps how we can measure anything by putting on the ruler. Now see how we will draw a line segment. Step 1. Mark a point A with a sharp pencil. So first we will put a point A. Okay. Then we will place the ruler. And your 0 should be on point A. Okay, your 0 should be on point A. And then if we are drawing 2 centimeter line, we have to draw 2 centimeter line segment. We will put a point on 2, and then we will write here point B, and then we will join this line. Okay, so now third step is draw a line segment of required length. See, it is shown that here the line segment of 5 centimeter has to be drawn. So here we will put point B. Starting at point A, move along the edge of the scale. So from starting at A, which is starting from 0, we will draw a line to point B, that is of 5 centimeter. Okay. So these are the steps which we have to follow for drawing a line segment. So children, today we are going to do enrichment activity given on page number 117. So what is the question of yours is, draw line segment of the given length. Okay. This is how we will draw the line segment. Now children, all of you look at the board. It is given checkpoint page number 117. Draw line segment of given length. Now children, I'll show you a video, okay, through which you can learn how to draw the line segment. See all of you.
We are going to draw a line segment AB first. It has to be drawn of 7 centimeter. So first we will put a point on 0 and then we will put a point at 7. Take the help of ruler. So we have put a point on 0 and a point on 7. Now we will draw a line from 0 to 7. Now this is a line segment AB of 7 centimeter. Okay. So write down AB 7 centimeter. Now come to the next question. In your next question you have to draw a line segment CD of 6 centimeter. Okay, so now you place a ruler like this, put a point at 0 and another point on 6. Okay, so we have to draw a line segment of 6 centimeter. We put a point on 0 and another point on 6, and now we draw a line segment from 0 to 6. Now this is of 6 centimeter. So we will write the name C, D and then we will write 6 centimeter. Okay, so this is a line segment of 6 centimeter. Now come to the next question. Here we have to draw a line segment of AB 8 centimeter. So put a ruler scale, you will put it correctly, okay, properly. First you will mark on 0. Every line segment will start from 0 and it will come to 8 centimeter. Here we have to draw a line segment of 8 centimeter. So we have put on 8 and we have put on 0. Now we continue from 0 to 8 we will come. So now this is a line segment AB. We will write AB. How much centimeter? What is the length of this line segment? It is of 8 centimeter. So we have written it 8 centimeter. Now come to the next line segment. Here we have to draw a line segment of EF 5.5 centimeter. So we put a scale ruler. You all can see it very carefully. First we will mark on 0. We put a dot on 0 and another dot on 5.5. How we get 5.5? See children, this is 5. Count from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This middle line, this shows 0.5. Okay. Every line segment 1 centimeter, there are 10 lines. So here we will count only 5. So 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 5.5 centimeter. You can see this middle line, small line. Now we will join these two line segments. This is line segment EF 5.5 centimeter. Okay. EF 5.5 centimeter. So we will write here 5.5 centimeter. So this is how we are going to draw the line segments AB 7 centimeter, CD 6 centimeter, AB 8 centimeter and EF 5.5 centimeter.
Okay, so now I hope you all have learned how to draw the line segment. So now we start with our first question. Okay, so your first question is AB is equal to 7 centimeter. AB 7 centimeter. Okay, so now you can see a scale. I am showing you a scale. Okay, now see children, this is a ruler. Okay, which you have to make use of in drawing the line segment. Okay, I am not using ruler on board, but I am giving you the idea how you can make use of it. See, if we are drawing a line segment of 7 centimeter, first what you will do, draw with me, all of you, draw the line segment with me. First you will put a dot and write point A. Write down point A. Written? Everyone has written? Now you will put your scale and your scale 0 should be at point A. At your scale, see, in your scale 0 is there. 0 is there in your scale. Everyone is having scale. So see, 0 is there. 0 is there on your scale. Now you will place this 0, okay, like this on point A. Place 0 like this on point A, and your scale should be straight, and then you put a point like this, okay, because we have to draw 7 centimeter line segment. So you will put at 7, you will put a dot like this, and here you will write B and draw a line segment of 7 centimeter. Your line segment of 7 centimeter will be long. Okay. So like this, you will draw a line segment of 7 centimeter. I have shown you in the video also. Okay, I have shown you in the video how to measure your point A. At point A, you will place 0 that of your scale, and 7 you will place at B. Okay, so you will mark B at 7. You will mark B at 7, and this is how you will draw a line segment. So now I hope you all have drawn 7 centimeter line segment. Yes, and where you will draw? See, this writing work you will do in the printed page. 2 lines notebook, you are having 2 line interleaf notebook. So on printed page, you will write the question AB is equal to 7 centimeter. And this diagram where you will draw, this you will draw figure. This line segment you will draw in the blank page. Okay. This line segment AB of 7 centimeter you will draw in the blank page. In the opposite side. AB 7 centimeter you will write in the printed side where 2 lines are drawn. There you will write. And this figure you will draw in the blank white page. Okay. Now we move further to our second question. See, all of you look at the second question now. Now children, your second question is CD 6 centimeter. Okay. So first what you will do? You will draw a point, write down C. Okay. Now here you will place your scale. Your scale will be here and you will mark it at 0. Okay, you will place it at 0. Start from 0 and then you will see where this 6 is coming. Okay, on your scale where your 6 is coming. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here at 6 centimeter you will write point D. Now you draw a line like this. So at 6 centimeter you will write D. Okay. So this line segment is of 6 centimeter. So your line segment CD is of 6 centimeter. So where I have drawn 0, where I have placed point C at 0, and D we have written where we have find 6 centimeter. ओके जहाँ पे 6 सेंटीमीटर है वहां पे आप पॉइंट डी लिख दोगे एंड देन यू विल ड्रॉ अ स्ट्रेट लाइन बाय यूजिंग रूलर. ओके, 0 पॉइंट सी कहाँ पे मिला हमको? 0 पे. फ्रॉम 0 वी विल राइट पॉइंट सी एंड देन वी पुट अ स्केल एंड वेयर वी गेट द पॉइंट 6 सेंटीमीटर देयर वी विल राइट पॉइंट डी एंड देन वी विल ड्रॉ अ स्ट्रेट लाइन. ओके. So now this is how you can complete your second question also. Now see the third question. Now see our third question is BC is equal to 5.5 centimeter. Okay. So now how we will draw this line segment? First we will draw a point B. Okay. And then we will name it point B. First we will draw a point and then we will name it point B. And then we will put our scale at 0. Okay, you will place B at 0. And then you will see we have to draw a line segment of 5.5 centimeter. So, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now children, here comes one big problem. That how you will count this 0.5. 5 is easy for you to count. Now how you will count 0.5? See where you have ended 5 now. There you will see small lines. 1, 2, 3, 4 and then here you will see a middle line. So this is 5. Now count smaller points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5.5. Okay. So here we will write C and we will draw this line segment, okay, up to 5.5 centimeter. So this line segment is of 5.5 centimeter. This is how we will count. Okay. From 0 we will start drawing the line segment to 5.5 centimeter. Okay. I have told you how to count 5.5 centimeter. 5 centimeter you can see on the scale. Now go to the 5 smaller points. After 5 comes 5.1, 5.2, 5.3, 5.4 and 5.5. You will find the points like this. Like this is 1 centimeter, no? So there are smaller points like 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is the middle one. बीच में एक छोटी छोटी जो लाइंस होती है उसमें एक बीच में ऐसी लाइन होती है जो ना ज्यादा छोटी होती है ना बड़ी होती है. दैट इज 5.5. ओके, दैट इज कंसिडर्ड एज 0.5. ओके, उसके और आगे हम चलेंगे तो 6, 7, 8, 9 एंड देन कम्स द बिगर लाइन. दिस इज 10. So this is 1 centimeter length. Okay. So this is how you will count BC 5.5 centimeter. Now I will show you the next question. See. Now see DE 6.5 centimeter. How we will count 6.5 centimeter? First we will draw a point and we will write D like this. Okay, this is point D. We will name it as D, point D. Now put your scale starting from 0 and you will take this point and start counting up to 6. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now half is 6.5 only. Okay, 6.5 centimeter. Okay, so now this is 6. Now we will count 0.5. I've told you how to count 0.5. See, smaller line. See, 1, 2, 3, 4 and then you will see a slightly bigger line. Okay, you will see a slightly bigger line. This is 6.5. Okay, this is 6.5. Okay, so this is 6 and this is 6.5. So here you will write this is your point E because we have to draw a line segment of 6.5 centimeter. So now start drawing a line from D to E of 6.5 centimeter. It should be a length of 6.5 centimeter. So this is how you will draw a line segment of 6.5 centimeter. How you will count? Again, see, this is 6 and this is 7. Now there are 10 smaller lines between 6 and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So this you can see, this is the middle line. इन दोनों लाइंस के बीच में एक लाइन ऐसी होगी जो सारी छोटी लाइंस में सबसे बड़ी होगी. That is 6.5. So you have to draw the line segment up to 6.5 centimeter. Okay, understood this? How we will calculate? This is 6.1, 6.2, 6.3, 6.4, 6.5. Okay, so this is how you will calculate. If I will say draw a line segment of 6.4 centimeter, then you will see the smaller lines. Okay, this is 6 centimeter, this is 6.1, 6.2, 6.3 and this is 6.4. तो हम यहाँ पे point रखेंगे and we will draw a line of 6.4 centimeter. So I hope now you all have understood up to question number 4. Your question number 5 is EF 4.5 centimeter. Okay, half is 0.5. Okay, half is 0.5. Now we will put point and name it as point E. And now we will put our scale on this point E at 0. We will start measuring it from 0. And we will count. See, we have to draw a line segment of 4.5 centimeter or 4.5 centimeter. So we will see 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, where your 4 is there now? Where your 4 is there? Now you count 5 smaller lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a smaller line. Now this from here you will put point F. You will write point F and now you will draw a straight line like this. Okay, straight line you all have drawn. Now this is 4 centimeter and this is 4.5 centimeter. Okay, this is 4.5 centimeter. So this is how you will draw a line segment of 4.5 centimeter. This is 4. Now count the smaller lines. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is 4.5. So there you will put point and write F. Now this line segment is of 4.5 centimeter. Okay, so make use of scale for drawing the lines. This is how you will draw the line segment. I hope you all have completed your line segment up to here. Now I am going to give your homework question. Note down your homework question, all of you. So in homework, children, you have to draw line segment BE of 3 centimeter. Okay. You have to draw a line segment BE of 3 centimeter. So now I hope you all have understood how to draw line segment in today's class. I hope now you all can draw line segments easily. Now I'm sending a PDF file also from which you can complete your classwork. And children, how you will draw? I've told you drawing will be done on the blank white page and question will be written in the two line. Okay. In the printed page, you will write the line. In printed page, you will write the question, and in the opposite blank page, you will draw the figure. Okay. So make use of scale. If you are having any question, you can ask in a query session. I hope you all have enjoyed today's class and learned how to draw line segments. So we will meet again in our next class. Till then, goodbye and take care everyone.